Hi and welcome to Food and Magic. In this video you will see the recipe of tomato rice which is commonly made in South India. Every region has their version of this recipe. I'm making it in the Hyderabadi style. This rice is mostly eaten with curd and fryams which makes it as a light meal, and it is common recipe for the tiffin box too. Before I begin, do subscribe to my channel for more such yummy recipes. So let's get started. To make the tomato rice, I have soaked 1 cup of Basmati rice for 2 hours. You can use sona massuri variety of rice for this recipe. I have used a standard measuring cup. I will use the same cup to measure water further in the video. Moving ahead, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. To it add bay leaves, peppercorns, cardamoms, cloves, 2 small pieces of cinnamon, dry chillies, 1 mace, and saute for 30 seconds till the aromas release in the oil. Once done, I'll add the cumin seeds and again saute for 30 seconds or so. After the cumin seeds changes color, I will add few curry leaves and 1 onion which I have sliced thinly, and again saute for a minute or 2 till the onions become translucent. Here you can see the onions have changed the color slightly. Now I will add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute till the raw smell goes away. It's been 2 minutes. Now I will add 3 medium-sized tomatoes, chopped. You can add the tomato puree too as per your choice. I will cut the bay leaves as these are too big and making the sauteing process difficult. Next I will add very little turmeric as I want the rice to look more of red color got from the tomatoes. Here I am also adding red chilli powder. You can add more or less as per your choice. Some dhania powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Now saute for a minute or so till the masalas are mixed well. I'll cook the tomatoes by keeping the cooker lid till the skin of the tomatoes separates. Note, I have not attached the whistle. Within 2 to 3 minutes the tomatoes are cooked. You can see the masala has become dry. If it is not cooked till this stage, the rice will become lumpy and sticky due to the moisture from the tomatoes. Next I will add the soaked rice and mix it well. The proportion of water is very important to avoid rice becoming sticky and lumpy. Thus I have shown you the measuring cup in the beginning of this video with which I measured the rice. Using the same cup I will add 2 cups of hot water. But before that, I will add some groundnuts and cashew nuts which taste very good in this rice. As the rice is spicy, I will add 2 whole green chillies as well and then add 2 cups of hot water. Up till now I have not added the salt, which I will add next. And then add a handful of coriander for the wonderful flavor. I will pressure cook this rice for 3 whistles. The pressure has released and you can see the tomato rice has cooked perfectly. It smells so awesome. To add to the flavor, add some ghee, mix slightly and serve it right away along with some raita and papad or fryams and enjoy the taste. Believe me, it tastes awesome. Hope you liked today's video. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you for watching this video.